Hey, what's good? It's your boy, Food and Travel 303 or Food and Travel Addict. Today, we're gonna cook one of my favorite Vietnamese dishes, lemongrass chicken, bone-in lemongrass chicken. So basically, how I marinate it is lemongrass. You can get the fresh lemongrass or the pre-chopped lemongrass, some garlic, soy sauce, a little bit of cocoa soda can, garlic, lemongrass, Thai chili peppers, soy sauce, yeah, salt and pepper. That's all I marinated with. So my mom's recipe is a little bit different. We got the Southwest Vietnamese style to it. All right, let's put these bad boys into the pan and gonna cook some lemongrass chicken. Let's get it, fam. So I like to set the heat like around 7 or 8. 7 or 8, you know. You don't want to put it on high, you're gonna burn the chicken. So on medium high, I'm guessing cook it for roughly 10-15 minutes, depending on your stove, you know. So lemongrass chicken, the best chicken for lemongrass chicken are the thighs and stuff, and we call these drumsticks. And gonna throw in some Thai chili peppers at the end, huh? Thai chili peppers. Alright, fam. Cooked golden brown to perfection. Alright, let's put some rice in and let's get it. Alright, fam. No vegetable today. Just lemongrass chicken and rice. I have an English cucumber, but it's kind of old, so I'm just gonna eat rice and chicken. The best vegetable to eat with this is probably like some fresh vegetable, some cucumber, some kimchi is good too. Pickled cabbage, you name it. But today we're just gonna eat without vegetable, huh? All right, make sure the microphone is on. Hold on, let me get the Windex and clean up my lens a little bit. Okay, microphone check. Mic check. Okay, let's eat, fam. Once again, lemongrass chicken. Just need some chicken drumsticks. Lemongrass, the pre-chop, or you can chop the lemongrass yourself, which is tastes even better. Garlic, soy sauce, some pepper, cayenne pepper, ground cayenne pepper. Uh, just a splash of the coconut soda water, coconut, the one in the can. Just a splash, not too much. Yeah, that's about it, man. Black chili pepper. Not Thai chili peppers. My bad. Thai chili peppers, or jalapenos, or serrano. But Thai chili peppers better. Or if you're a chili pepper head, maybe go for the Carolina Reaper. Oh, I cannot eat that spicy, man. Go to the emergency room. Thai chili pepper. But if you're a pepperhead, go for the Carolina Reaper. I would not do a Carolina Reaper, man. They're gonna send me to the ER. You guys think this one is spicy? This is nothing, dude. So this is made mostly from Thai chili peppers, I believe. They got their own secret recipe. So, you can eat it with pickled cabbage, kimchi, fresh cucumbers, some vegetable. That would be ideal. But like I said, man, I work at a pizza place, and sometimes I just eat pizza for my dinner. Oh, man. Having allergy today. I apologize. All right. So the outside might look burnt, but it's chicken, you know. Supposedly you kind of get a knife and kind of slice the chicken a little bit so it cooks all the way to the inside. Yeah, you know, chicken takes a long time to cook, right? Let's take a bite, huh? Mm. Mm. I think it's cooked to perfection, fam. And you know, you can't be perfection. I'm just kidding. I barely cook at home, though. The first time I cooked this dish, my mom got in a car accident, so yeah. I asked for the recipe. And I was making this dish. Got a phone call from the hospital. Yeah. Thank God she's okay. Yeah. I believe this is a southern Vietnamese dish. There might be variation to it, you know. Just like any food, man. There's the northern pho, and then there's the southern pho, you know. The southern pho is more flavorful. The northern pho is really bland. Yeah. Just like Southern American cuisine. The cuisine from the South are a lot more flavorful compared to the North, you know. There's always variation from every region, you know, when it comes to food, the way people talk, accent, and all that, you know. All right, let's take another bite, huh? Oh, forgot to do a screenshot. All right, that's good enough. I always forget to do the thumbnail because the food looks so good. I'm always hungry, you know. So I always forget to do the thumbnail, man. Let me go blow my nose, man. I have allergy. Hold on 1 second. All right, make sure my mic is on. There was one time I recorded the whole video without the microphone being on. So the whole video turned out to be a silent video. All right, let's take a bite to the inside, huh? I think it's cooked. Yeah, you don't want to undercook chicken. Chicken and pork do not undercook, and beef do not overcook. Beef is best medium rare. Mm. Mm. Not too spicy. I kind of overcooked the Thai chili, but the flavors already got infused into the pan, you know. Oh, yeah, I took a bite into the spicy part. I'm a wuss when it comes to spicy, so. That was pretty good. With some rice. Yeah, the skin is nice and crispy. Nice and crispy on the skin. Oh man, I took a bite of the spicy part and made me cough for like 10 seconds. See? Cook all the way to the inside. If you see like a tiny drip of blood, that means it's still not cooked. And I highly recommend let the marinade sit for like 24 to 48 hours, 1 to 2 days. Already told you guys the recipe, right? Yeah. very hard to find this dish inside restaurant. Yeah. They used to have it at New Saigon, but they stopped doing the bone-in chicken. Maybe not enough people order it, or maybe it takes too long to cook. I don't know. Mm. That's the thing with restaurant, man. Even though the dish is really good, but nobody orders it, they're gonna take it off the menu. Same when you go to a sushi restaurant, you know. Some of the best is like uni and fatty tuna, but not enough people order it, so they gotta take it off the menu. So a lot of times it's best to cook at home because you know exactly what you want, you know. But it requires a lot of work, a lot of time. Pretty sure you can make a pizza at home, but it's a lot of work, right? You gotta prep the dough, knead the dough, spread the dough out, and put the toppings in. You gotta sit in the oven. The home oven is not as hot as a commercial oven like the one from the restaurant. Yeah, the one from the restaurant is super hot, man. I work at a pizzeria. Mm. Some dishes is best to cook at home. Some is better just go to a restaurant. Pho is one of them, man. Pho takes a long, long time to cook. And the proper way to cook it is like 8 hours. You might burn down your house if you forgot about the stove, you know. Mm. Dim sum. Dim sum is probably better to go to the restaurant and eat. Probably take you like 8 hours to make those 8 different dim sum dishes. Yeah. Some food is better to go out and eat. Some food is better to cook at home. Mm. So good. Korean barbecue. Well, the barbecue part is easy, but the side dishes, man, those take a lot of time. The side dishes at Korean barbecue. But pretty sure you can marinate all those meats at home, and if you got a grill, throw it on. All you that's and you have Korean barbecue. Hot pot's pretty simple too. You just gotta buy a lot of different meats, you know. We did hot pot at home a few times. Mm. 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 I love to eat Vietnamese food with rice. Rice fill you up for a long time compared to eating porridge or noodles or whatever. Yeah. If you're gonna be out doing some hard labor, eat rice, fam. Fills you up for a long time compared to eating a salad. Mm. Every time I eat a salad at work, I get hungry like 2 hours later, man. So good. See? Cooked to perfection. So some pieces are really spicy, some is not. I did not throw in the chili peppers into the bowl. The Thai chili peppers kind of overcooked. I think you're supposed to throw them in at the last minute, you know, when uh, when the chicken is about to be done cooking. Yeah. So the two main ingredients are lemongrass and garlic. Yeah. That's the two main ingredients. Yeah. Then salt and pepper, cayenne pepper, a splash of coconut soda water. Mm. Soy sauce. Yeah. Don't put fish sauce in. Fish sauce in makes it too salty. Yeah. Soy sauce is really good in a lot of marinades, fam. Even for steak. I know all you Americans hate to marinate steak with oyster sauce or soy sauce, but try it. The American way is just salt and pepper, but my friend had a oyster sauce recipe. It's bomb diggity. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, garlic, salt and pepper. Really good on steak. Trust me. But hey, man, everybody have different preferences. You know, that's the same thing when it comes to food. Everybody marinate differently. Mm. Mm. All right, fam. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. See you guys on the next one. Please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell.